Hey, what is going on, everyone? How are we doing this morning? This beautiful morning.
Good morning.
Ready to make some money. I want to buy this thing, but buy it from like the low.
Hmm.
So far, what I see is
Is it me? Hold on.
yeah, just let it drop for now. See how it closes. I'm interested in this hourly close though, not in the 15 closure, the hourly closure.
Yeah, the hour is coming up to that first buy level off the lows of Asia and London. If we can get a closure above that zone.
Yeah, let's see if there's any closure or just like straight down. See any wicks to the downside. I'm not in a hurry. It's a Monday. Usually it's you can see Monday as a pullback or something.
Yeah.
Oh, what do we got here? Right off that 88.
The 4 hour closed beautiful though. It closed with the wick, like a doji.
Yeah, the
Now it's just like it's trying to make a bottom wick, which is understandable. Like a little pullback on this before it's go any higher.
like pull back to like 2,900.
2,900, yeah, 2,900 on a trade of eight.
Yeah.
Yeah,
20.
2,900 app right here too. Um, from yesterday opening. We're in that gap right now.
Yeesh, that was that target area we were looking at from the buys of last week from down here.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
we're looking for that break. So it looks like we're at this zone. What is it? An hourly zone?
Yeah, it's just an hourly. It's back to that area where there's a lot of wick to the left. On the hourly, it's starting to close with wicks to the bottom though. So I'm still on the buy. I'm still on the buy bias. There's I think this is just a pullback. If it closed on the hourly on the 1 hour with the wick, I'm gonna go into the smaller time frame like the 15 and start seeing closure.
I don't know if it's enough for me, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah. So the closure of that 15 just now has a wick, but it's starting to close like bearish though.
Yeah, yeah, it's still close bearish.
Yeah. So it closed back into the box. Remember the box I was top we can see a box that's forming right now. Bottom, the support is the 2,900, and then the top is what we just made right now with the wick, like 2,100, 1,100.
This is like a shallow retest. We might get a deeper retest if we don't hold this.
Yeah. So far, we're in the middle of the box.
Yeah.
No trade. Yeah, like an hourly close on this one instead of seeing like a 15. Didn't you say? Let me check. Uh, there is at 10 a.m. There is news today. Wow. Usually there isn't any news on Monday, but got a 10 a.m. news. So
On the 4 hour, it looks like it's holding above this area.
yeah, like the last three candles of the 4 hours closed beautiful. Like closed like with the support.
Kind of conflicted.
Yeah.
And then we're right under this 1 hour zone.
Mhm. So far, we're still in the bigger picture. We're still buying at a discount because this is like from we're at the same price from November of 2024. Like this is when the election started.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can see like it's either gonna be another like recovery back just like before from this area start going back up.
What a wicks at, baby.
But yeah, we need wicks to the bottom side closure. Yup. This is yeah, 15 flipped, huh? Yup, it just flipped. That was the retrace for that whoever trying to take that short. The way I see it, if you want to get in shorts, I want this 15 to close below all these wicks, and then the next 15 would have to come up for a retest. Then I'm gonna take the short, like strong bearish pusher on this 15. If it closed with a wick or anything, I'm gonna start look. Yeah, this is a good place for buys for buyers to get in. Like retrace it back to Asia, 88, everything.
I don't know if I'm gonna take anything yet. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, no, 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 no. I really want to see a 15 to like close with a wick, like a fat wick through this area, like a rejection.
I think I'm gonna close until I get an out 1 hour rejection.
We have five, we have 9 minutes. Anything is possible, man.
If it could flip, close over the line, I'm convinced.
Yeah,
Flip, fill the wick on this side, close above this line. I'm in that.
yeah.
We hold it until I don't know. Uh, probably around here. No, I'm kidding. I probably won't hold that long. Probably will hold up to here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not seeing nothing. Just absolutely.
I'm not getting off until we make some.
Yeah.
I'm glued to the chair.
Bro, you already know. That's the attitude we need, Jacob. Yeah, what's up with that boy Javante, bro? What happened to your man's Javante?
It's a tie, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Bro, he took a knee, man.
But he took a knee. He took a knee on one of the rounds. I saw the highlights.
He did take a knee, but he ain't get knocked down though.
Nah, nah. He said he had something in his eye.
He had grease. That boy had grease in his eyes.
Yeah, that's the first time I seen him took a knee.
He man, I need your black magic here, bro.
Mm, this thing is I actually now would be I would love to take some shorts down, but trying to trying to see this closure, strong closure. I'm taking it.
I probably wouldn't do a short until we get like a head and shoulders or something. Like head and shoulders here.
Yeah,
Quick the
you
right
know,
shoulder.
we'll see. We'll see how this goes. It's 7 minutes. The hourly needs to close below these bottoms, so if it wants to be like a strong sell, like for me to take it down. Yeah, close below 900, flat 2,900. Strong.
So when is the next withdrawal period? This
It's
week?
up, it's up to you. It's every 8 days.
Okay. It's every 8 days.
Yeah, it's up to you, bro.
Okay, cool.
There's no period.
I assumed it was like okay for the first 2 weeks, and then for the last 2 weeks is the only time.
Nah,
Yeah, that's how it used to be, but they changed it.
every
Gotcha.
days, man. Every 8 days.
So if I take a big trade on the third day, I'll have to wait 5 more days for the 8 days to reset.
You have to trade 5 day consecutively with consistent profit to take a payout. That's their rule. 5 days. Five to out the eight.
Before or after you hit the 5%
What you mean?
or the 25
After
threshold.
after that. Like 25 is that is like after anything after 25 you can withdraw. You can withdraw back to 21, I think. That's it. Like you can get up to like 35 and then take out like 14, which is going back to 21.
I see.
Yeah.
But if you wanted to take out that full amount,
No, you can't take past 21, I don't think so.
you're kidding me.
No.
Wait.
Because you draw down because that 25 is essentially like your
Your
um
equity?
threshold, like your drawdown
You're
threshold.
kidding me.
Yeah, if you go like if you blow back to 50, you blew the account. You know that, right?
So all right, let's say I take a 2K withdrawal, right? Is that possible or no?
After 25, yes. Like you can get
Yeah.
up 25 and then you can take two out and it'll be at 25.
Man, it's getting more and more suspect every time we talk about this.
Not you just gotta make consistently 5 days. And then the next 3 days, like out of the eight, you can like just get in and get matter.
So if I had 25, I make a 25 withdrawal, I basically lose the account because I hit the 25 equity threshold.
You can't withdraw it. Like if you have
Oh,
to ask 25 to take any withdrawal to take
I
it.
know. All right, let's say we're at 27.
Yeah. You can
All right,
take six
I see.
because yeah, it's 21.
So this is crazy to me.
So basically, it's like going through two phases. You have to make
Yeah,
three
exactly,
and then
Basically, yeah.
exactly it. They just trying to mask it.
Yeah,
It's
they word it really weird.
Bro, so you pass the account, you get the account finally, and then you grow the account 2,500, and you can't even withdraw that 2,500.
no,
That's crazy.
because that would be your threshold. Like, but
Bro, that's so whack.
but the beautiful thing is once you get to like 50, like 55 or anything above that, you can risk more. Like your 25, that is your threshold. You essentially now, if you get up to like 55, you can risk 3,000 instead of 2,500. You know what I'm saying? You can risk
Mm.
three now. So they want you to like keep the balance like going a little bit high, and then if you really consistent, like you want to take a really big payout from one account, then you should do that. Like you should up the risk.
Yeah. So let me ask you this now. All right. What would you recommend for someone who has an account? You know, they pass, they have the account, they've grown the account to, I don't know, that minimum, that 25,000, that 2,500 minimum. Would you recommend they double the account to another 2,500
To take the payout?
to
No,
take a payout, or
I would say take it up to where you can take out 2,000, because I think that's the max profit you can take out from the account of each account.
2,000?
Yeah. So essentially,
Bro, what?
yo, take it up to five, take out two, and then start over again. Repeat the process.
So what would that be? 45?
Yeah. So you're
45?
yeah, the ultimate number is 45. Like
And
for
then you start again back at 25.
yeah, you start back
Oh,
at 25 and then you go back up again.
I see. That is absolutely insane. Are y'all hearing this? Is it just me?
Bro, they need to put like second phase in quotations.
For real? Oh man.
Yeah, most traders they build it up to basically 55,000, and then that's when they
Yeah.
take their first withdrawal of
Yeah.
the 2,500, or they just do the 2,000, keep that buffer in there, and then let the account ride from there and keep doing withdrawals.
Yeah, pretty much. We're about to close in three, two, one. Boop. Right. Whoa. 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 Oh, here we go.
Oh, you talking about the news?
Yeah,
Uh,
the news just came
that
out.
start volume start coming in. Did I just see a gap? Like it closed weird on my trade of eight.
Yeah, it got
What's
us
it
on
called?
mine as well.
Yeah. They also have rules against trading it like during news and stuff like that too. So like immediately, I don't know. They literally can give you any reason to not pay you out.
Um,
But that is
man.
I don't think that's a strong bearish closure. I think kind of weak. It
Oh,
did
what time?
on the hourly or on the 30 minutes or yeah. We can see some choppiness here too. It's gonna be some choppy. Like bears didn't close exactly like I want it to be. It still closed very strong, bearish though, about like 100 and yeah, 150 points, 140 points. That candle.
For the 1 hour?
I'm on the 30 minute now. 30. It's like close with the wick rejected to that the left side, like the Asia low. So this candle might be choppy. This candle could be just ping ponging up and down a little bit. Retracement back.
Is there a profit split?
No, well the first I believe the first 25K on the account you keep 100%.
50K, I think. Is it 50 or 25?
I think it's 25 per account, yeah. But it's per account.
Oh yeah, it's per account. It's 25, 25.
And then after that they take 10%.
Yeah, it's 90/10.
That's not bad.
It's not bad at all, bro. All right, so to see some buy from here on the 15, I see in it. If this thing closed strong bearish with the wick rejection, I mean strong bullish, my bad, strong bullish. Come up to uh anything above that like 2870 area. We can see some I'm gonna take some candles to look for buys as well. Gotta close strong, strong bullish. Yeah,
Looks better on trade today, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm doing my fib from the 15 on the 15 chart. It rejected the 88.
Off
Off
of
of
the
Oh,
break.
yeah, off that push. I want to see it close above the 88 though. Close like bullish above this. Pretty good. Just wait for the pullback and we get in for the buy.
Ooh.
All right, so going back to the drawdown rule. Today I took a sell at the body of the candle up top, and it wicked up a little bit. So I went in drawdown about $230, but I've been trying to make 500 a day. Is that gonna hurt me, or is the 30% just the same pertaining to the withdrawal amount, the $2,000 withdrawal amount for
Wait,
the
you said that you were in a drawdown and then you
I
closed it?
made up yeah, I was in a sell. It wicked up a little bit. You see that wick at the top.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
And I made about $570
What do you mean by hurt you? You said it's is it gonna hurt me?
because I heard this is something new. So tell me if this is right, that they have a drawdown rule as well.
What do you what
For
draw?
for Apex or for the
Maybe
who
I'm
has the drawdown rule?
Apex.
Are you
Oh,
referring to the equity threshold?
no, like if you're in a trade and
Hmm.
you go too much in drawdown, like 30%, and then you try to make a withdrawal, they said that could be held against you. But actually that could be just hearsay. I don't know.
What do you mean?
I think
Were you taking a withdrawal before you were trading? Do you already requested withdrawal?
no. What I'm trying to do is keep my profit targets just at 500. That's it. I don't even want to go to 600, even though I know you can. So,
Okay.
but if I went in drawdown, if I had made a target profit of 500, but I went in drawdown 230, would that hurt me?
No.
No.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Your
Oh,
entry should still be the same. Sound like your entry's moving.
Okay.
But in terms of that rule, I didn't hear anything. In terms of you said the 30% rule.
Yeah, I think it's only for profits. I'm gonna go try to still research their FAQs, but I didn't see anything. I just heard somebody say that.
Gotcha.
yeah, definitely look at their website. But I think you're right. I think it's only for profit.
What's good, team? How's everyone doing? Y'all doing all right?
Yo, what's up, Bryce?
Bryce,
Yo,
Yo, yo.
Hey, Bryce.
hello, Miss Christine.
how you
Uh,
doing, man?
Good, man, good. I was waiting to see if we get a rejection off that 88.6 on the Asia lows, but that thing just pushed through, especially with that news. So
Yeah.
just waiting to see if we get the lower 88.6 I have drawn up off a really good support zone, or if we'll close back above. It looks like it's wanting to go down though.
yeah, that's what we're waiting for too. Same thing.
Yeah,
I was waiting for a bullish on something right here.
yeah. Yep, that's
Yeah,
exactly.
and just flipped again. I just keep going.
I mean, that area too, that's a really good level of support as well. That'd be a perfect buy setup. Get a
Yeah,
little double bottom off of that thing.
Wait, are y'all saying y'all wait for candles to close? I usually just
You say just
randomly
blindly
I
enter?
just blindly get in, yeah.
Oh, okay. I've been doing it wrong, bro. That's why you make the big bucks, I
Yeah,
guess.
that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Oh man. Um, but yeah, that last 1 hour close was a bit strong.
It was.
Or at this zone here that we did get a reaction in the past. So we're starting to get some wicks on it now, but let's see. Let's see what happens.
yeah.
8 minute
Some
closure in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
gonna be choppy here. Even if you go to the lower time frame, it's gonna be choppy. Just choppy up and down, ping pong.
I feel like that lower buy on the 88.6 will probably be a little bit later in the day, maybe.
Which one on the 4 hours?
Yeah, I'm looking at a 4 hour buy setup. Yeah.
The low here would be a blessing.
Yeah. Yeah, right off that little structure right there. And if you zoom out too, I mean, you can see that's been a pretty good level of support in the past.
Yeah.
It lines up pretty well.
Yeah, I'm not in a hurry. Nvidia is -5% right now.
Yeah.
A lot of companies are a little red.
You said ping pong show?
You said,
Yeah,
yo, I'm staying quiet.
Oh no, T I heard T say something. But in 3 minutes it looks like we might close bullish on the
yeah.
6 candle.
I want to see some bullish momentum here.
Yeah, Bryce, you see that fight the other day?
Which one?
What was it, the Roach versus Davis?
Oh no, bro, I didn't even get to watch it.
It wasn't MMA for you?
No, I enjoy
Too
all of
boring
it.
for you?
I don't discriminate.
All right.
Any type of violence is good violence for me.
Yeah. Cartoon violence?
Sure. Sure.
No, well, apparently it was a draw.
Oh, it was a draw. Dang, that's
Yeah,
crazy.
I kind of just watched the highlights, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I didn't really get a chance to watch it. I like boxing, just I'm not as heavy into it, you know.
Yeah.
I'll watch it if there's no other fights on.
Well, apparently he took like an involuntary knee. because
Oh, dang.
yeah, because he had apparently had grease coming down in his eyes.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy. I didn't know that. I'll have to go back and watch the highlights now.
Uh,
Or was it voluntary? Because I think it was voluntary, excuse me.
But like they counted as like a knockdown or something?
Well, they didn't count it as a knockdown, but he started counting as if it was. But
Oh, gotcha.
I don't know. I'm not really too
You see
familiar with the rules.
was
in the highlight, he like the other guy, Roach, he hits him. That's it.
Uh, I don't know. I kind of felt like he just tapped him on the nose or
That's true. That's true. It wasn't like a clean
yeah.
connection.
all right.
I didn't know you could do that though. I didn't know you could just take a knee and
That's
like call
insane.
time out.
I mean, no, you're not really supposed to, I don't think, unless you're, injured.
Right.
Yeah, I don't like this bullish closure. Unless we get I'm needing to see another bullish candle. Like, it's kind
Yeah.
of weak.
Yeah, that's almost like indecisive.
Yeah, it's kind of weak. Might be a bear trap.
Yeah, I'm just like I said, I think I'm just gonna wait for either the 88.6 lower one, or if we start closing above the other 88.6 on the Asias.
Yeah.
Just kind of wait and see what happens. I feel like that the lower 88.6, it might be a little while till we get there if it just kind of plays back and forth like this.
hmm Same here. Yeah, it might be just choppiness coming down.
Yeah, as a Monday, it could just play around.
It is true. It is Monday.
Choppiness.
Chopped
We
cheese.
make
Chopped
money
cheese.
on Saturday, bro. What?
There. Top cheese close. That is of no. That is ugly close.
Yeah, nah.
Ugly closure. Ugh. Yeah, selling from the bottom. Anybody?
Oh, that's my strategy.
Sell low, buy high.
Yeah, this is my strategy right here.
We sell at support. That's what we do. It's the group. It's a secret the Groove Zone to tell you.
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta trade outside the box.
That's a good one. That's a good
All right. So what is this? The 15 minute. We can see the candle is starting to slow down in size compared to the previous two 15-minute candles.
Mhm.
But based
But
off the 30-minute closure and the 1 hour closure,
yeah,
uh, still a little aggressive for a buy.
we need to see this 30 closure and bullish. If then
Yeah, I would need to see like a candle come down and wake the zone.
yeah,
Something like that would entice me to take this buy up. Maybe back up to here or maybe even to these areas here, but let's see. So we wait. Are you guys ready to wait?
yeah, I'm here
one.
The
until
It's a fun part about trading, just hanging out with the boys.
The bros, my guys.
And the girls.
and
Or
Sorry, Miss Christine. I'm sorry. My apologies.
That's right, Christine. That's right.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ladies. I'm sorry, ladies. You can take it up with HR later. I'm sorry.
yeah.
No, I have a
We won't
question.
take it up. We won't take it up with HR. We'll just take you outside in the back and beat
That's
you
what
up.
I'm saying. What you mean? That's funny. But guys, did you guys see everybody's getting all excited because President Trump allegedly tweeted that about XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum being very strong cryptos and them being in the reserve.
Oh
Um,
yeah.
but I cannot find his tweet. And so it's making me
Really?
feel like,
It was on his other social, I think. It was on that Truth Social app that he has. I don't think it was actually on X.
I think it wasn't it on X? He tweeted it,
Oh, it
right?
was on X? Okay, I didn't know. I thought it
Yeah,
was
I
on.
sent it to the group.
Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you.
well, send it in. You send it in our Discord. Can you send it in our Discord, please? Because I'm looking on
Yeah.
X right now and I don't see anything.
Oh, never mind. It's Retruth. Yeah, it's not on X. My bad.
It's on. Okay, what is it called, guys? I just type in truth
It's
and now
Truth. Yeah, just type in Truth app. I'm sure it'll pop up or Truth Social Media. But it's like
truth.
the one that he created whenever they kicked him off Twitter a while ago. And so he posts like more on there, I feel like, than he does on X.
Yeah, he does.
This is why I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, for
Because
My
sure.
I was
pleasure.
lost.
XRP, Solana, and ADA, which is
Yeah.
Cardano.
I don't know.
While you guys are on that, I did read somewhere, but I don't know if it's true. Did XRP start an ETF? Is that true?
Not yet.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. There have been many applications by different institutions, but I don't know if the SEC approve of it. But if their case is still going on with the SEC.
Oh, I thought that was finished. Okay, all right.
No, no, not yet. They haven't officially dismissed the case yet.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, but the fact that he said that means they probably gonna dismiss it within this year or soon.
That would be good.
Yeah, would be that's. I mean, that's the only thing that's I guess keeping it from going all time high, which is like $3 something or $4. Yeah.
That would be cool because I'm in it. So
Oh yeah. I was I think I bought some when it was at 20 cents.
I had bought when it was lower than that, but I kind of stopped. I now I'm like back at it, but I had bought it when this was years ago when
Yeah.
LA, what was it that introduced me to LML? I forgot what market. I
I am
forgot what it was.
IML.
IML. Excuse me. Yes. That's when I started investing because it was literally cents at that time. Cents.
Yeah. After the case was put on by the SEC, they took it off. They delisted from a bunch of company, and like you can't buy or anything until like a few years ago. They put it back on. Look at this closure on the 15th. It's about to close in 15 in 9 minutes.
I don't know, that 5 minute might be a little bit too low for me.
Yes, I still need to see like a very strong bullish candle right here. Uh, Essentially on the 30 minutes, it would be like, yeah, it would look like this strong bullish candle.
All right, if the 1 hour can close like this in 37 minutes, that would be enough for me.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if the 30 closes like this, it would be enough for me.
Yeah. The 30 might have to fill that wick though.
Yeah, it's coming. If it closes above that 900, and then the pullback, we get a pullback,
Yeah.
and I'm in that. Yep.
Strong closure, pull back, buy. That's what we're looking to do right now.
Yeah. So
In 7 minutes.
there we go. She is blown by this. Come on.
It always starts moving toward the end of that closure, man.
Yeah. From the bottom, it made that wick, which is 762, and now it's like 900. It's 140 points candle. It's a huge candle. And it's still going. I would say the buyer are back in here now after the drop. If it closes like this.
Ugh.
Yes. This is very good. Very good closure.
I don't know if I like it anymore, honestly. Like the 1 hour, it still looks good. 30 minute, I don't like when the body gets way bigger than the wick or longer than the wick.
The body is longer than the wick.
No, not yet, but I don't like it if that happens. I don't like when that happens, excuse me.
We still got like 6 minutes to go on the thing.
Kicked me out there for a second. Sorry, boys. It started to push up back up to 88.6 now, but I want to see like a 15-minute closure over it probably.
Yeah, I want to see this 15 close
Yeah.
like super strong because that would indicate a 30 minutes close back within that above
Yeah.
that gap.
Yes, sir.
We just need a pullback. We're in there. Pullback.
When you said you need a pullback and then you get in there, what do you mean by that? Because I have an idea in my head. I just want to hear if it matches up with what you're saying.
So once the candle closes, the price will be here, and the stop loss would have to go below here. So if we get in now, our risk reward will be about a 1-to-1. So we want to wait for it to pull back into the zone or maybe deeper into the wick. That way we can increase our risk reward, decrease our stop loss placement, and now we can drop a bigger position. Does
Okay,
that make sense?
understood. Okay,
Or maybe
thank
even
you.
down in here at least.
Okay.
So basically, once the candle closes, we got the confirmation that we're looking for. But again, we don't want to get in up here. We want to get in the best position possible or closest to the best position.
So you're waiting for a candle to come back down to that resistance area you have there, correct? Where you
Yeah.
have down. Okay. And
First,
then,
first I want the candle to close how I want it to close.
okay.
If that doesn't happen, none of the rest matters.
So you want this candle to close in the green, in the green? That's how
No,
you know, no?
I want the candle to close strong. I want the candle to close up here. And then the next
Okay.
candle, I want it to come back down.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good for this buy.
Yeah, yeah. It's looking good so far. 2 minutes.
Yep.
It's moving too fast though and too far.
Yeah, this is moving. The pullback probably serious. Essentially, I wanted to pull back to 28.50
Again,
on trade of eight. Then I'll get in like somewhere around there. Is
yeah.
that yeah? But just gotta close strong, which is what it's doing right now. And this is why we don't sell at the low. We were just joking before. We were saying like,
Uh, wait, we were joking?
even though with momentum's carrying everything you see from the last two candles, that's still not enough for us to take it to get in the short to go down because like the candle before that it made a doji with both sides at the support area, meaning buyers are in there to fighting with the bears right now. Looks like buyers are winning.
48 seconds.
Very, very, very nice. Very nice candle. Rejected off that area.
Mm, I usually prefer the wick being longer than the body, but the 1 hour still looks good.
The width was like 60 points. Yeah. Body's about to be like over 130, 140. All right. So very good closure. Now we want to see a pullback. No pullback, no entry.
What do y'all think? Will we get a pullback?
She never leaves, bro. Believe.
Will we get a pullback? Will we sell that support?
Well, now it's coming back. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, we're back to this top wick of the 9:30, 9:45 candle. So we can see some sellers. If they're selling, they probably get in around here, around this wick area for it to come back down. So if you see if this thing keep pushing and not pull back, then our next area for buy is to see this push all the way, um, close above the previous push down, and then we look for the pullback to get in.
I like this 4 hour area that we have.
It's creating a pretty nice wick right now.
Yep. Let's see if we get this pullback.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, it looks like it wants to. It's rejecting the 15 high on the left side.
Yeah, it was like right on the 61.8
Yeah.
off of the fib I am drawing.
what I don't want to see is this thing start losing momentum and
Yeah,
sideways right here, just consolidating around this area. Then we would have to wait a lot longer. So within the market open at 9:30 until now, the price slashed up, broke the high, and then came down, broke the low, and now price is back right in the middle of the box.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like
yeah,
trading in the middle of the box like this. I want to see strong closure to either side and then pull back. You feel me?
agreed.
I mean, even if that last candle closed a bit
Yeah, it's
better,
just like this could
if
be
the
a
wick was
trap,
longer,
bro.
if the wick was that long right there, I would have been already in.
Yeah,
It's like a little bit longer, that would have been a great trade. Right there, if it closed like that, maybe even shorter too, it doesn't matter, but I don't like how the body is longer than the wick, I'm gonna be honest.
yeah,
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to just wait.
yeah. I'm just waiting now. See how the closure 15. You have any questions on YouTube?
No, last time I checked, no question.
All right, she's coming down.
I'm not taking that.
Yeah, it's gonna be
But
risky on this one, eh?
you're more than welcome to, though.
I'm gonna put mine in. See how this 15 close.
Hey, man.
Would you consider that as trading in the middle of the box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like my if I were to get in this trade, my TP is essentially like 120 21 flat. That's plenty.
I don't know, the 45-minute sell kind of catch my eye in 20 minutes if we close like this.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it rejected pretty good off that 61.8, you know.
Yeah.
But
What for the sell?
but yeah, but I mean, I don't know. I'll probably just stay away from it today
Yeah, it's too many
This is
contradicting
like
bodies.
in a box.
for sure.
I'm gonna give it until maybe 11, 12, maybe next 20 minutes and see how this candle closes. But I'm right there with you, Bryce. All right.
Yeah, if anything, I'd like to just bought off the 88.6 again, but if it's already starting to push back up, I'm just gonna chill.
This push right now is like 50 points.
You took it?
No, no. Bro, it's anything but Monday. Like Monday scares me more than Friday, to be honest.
Yeah.
Monday scares me more than Friday. I don't want to start out the week like digging myself out. You feel me?
Yeah.
That's just terrible.
No,
My
100%, bro.
mindset is just like
Also
all
with
over. Like
the
I don't
week
want to
and
start out like
Makes
deep.
sense.
That first trade sets the tone for the week, man.
Exactly. Like you want to get in like the one that you're really comfortable.
Yeah, I like to get into my trades knowing that there's peace of mind.
Yeah,
There's no contradicting beliefs or biases. So when I see a trade with contradicting beliefs or biases, I try not to get in. But see, I knew your hands be shaking when you're trading, bro. You said you scared to trade.
bro. It's quick.
There's a couple of taps and rejections off the 88.6 now,
Yeah,
but
From
price,
this point.
price is rejecting to the downside. Not on.
yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna close my laptop and walk away before I do something stupid.
Do something stupid. I think the only thing that would probably convince me to get in would be another candle, or if maybe the 2 hour, I don't know, flips, but yeah, it might be one of those days where
Yeah, it's just doesn't. mm. I would love it to see it close above 21,080, like all the way back to the top. You know what I'm saying? That'll be a stronger buy indication in my opinion.
you
Like
said what?
close above the drop we had this morning.
For a buy.
Yeah, and then no, and then wait for the pullback and to get into buy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying. If the 2 hour
Yeah, bro.
ends up flipping over, well, that might be a reach. Or we get another candle, we push back down into the zone. Deeper pullback.
A deeper pullback, yeah.
And then we wick right back above the zone
Mm-hmm.
and then close here. That would convince me to take the buy. What do y'all think? Are we gonna get a move today? Is it too soon?
I
Too
mean,
soon?
I'll say we'll stay on till like I
Seriously,
guess
until
12, 11, 11, 12, 12. Look at that, bro. Oh
for this
my
hour
God.
that we do.
Look at that 15. My wick. That wick. That wick was 70 points, man.
Still, man, if that 30-minute close how we wanted, we would have been in. But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Here's what it
Like we're here for the longevity. If you don't see something that you don't want, you're not confident in, don't take it.
That's still
Did
a
anyone
W.
take it? Just wondering, did anyone take it? I know there's some rascals in this chat.
That was the perfect pullback for that was like the bottom wicks of the area, the core area from London, from Asia as well.
Anyone in the YouTube take it?
Personally, I didn't.
Nah, I didn't take it.
Oh,
Looks like it's about to
See,
fill that wick, man.
Yeah, that was. I feel like that was the buy right there after the second retest of that 88.6.
Hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, it's already smashing 61.8. Looks like it's probably gonna head up to the 38 too. We'll see if it gets past the
That
61.
15 looks good closing.
Yeah,
It didn't close above that 945 candle though.
yeah. This is definitely looking like it's
yeah,
what
this
to
is
at
a
least.
weird price action. For
Still price still ranging in the middle of the box.
yeah, I'm not liking it.
Price, yeah, even if it was a move. I don't know, man. That 30-minute was just not it.
Yeah,
Yeah, can't do anything now.
1 hour
just like
is about to
this.
close. This 1 hour looks good if it closes like this. 1 hour closes like this, we get a pullback to wait for the pullback on the hourly and then get in. That'd be good.
Just like what we talked about yesterday. It is what it is, bro. You got-
Oh man, no, that's exactly it.
that was a good little push to the 61 again.
Yep,
The
that
rejection. So
was
yeah, I'm staying. Yeah, I'm
yes,
staying away from all this stuff today. I'm just gonna say it ain't worth it.
Yeah. Uh, hey,
I'm at the stage of like my trading where it's like
yeah,
if I don't like it or I feel weird about it, I'm just gonna close my laptop and walk away.
for sure. But then you come back and you saw it made that 30-minute candle you were looking for.
I know,
Five
but it's
minutes
like,
later.
yeah, I made my decision. I gotta, I feel
Yeah.
like that's what's helped me the most this year is like whenever I make my decision, not reopening
Yeah,
it up and pressing buttons.
for sure.
That's facts.
How long have we been on this call for? An hour?
about an
About
hour. Nothing crazy.
An hour, no trades.
I'm about to rip my.
Peace. Yeah, 9:40 is when you send it out. So yeah, well over an hour.
Come on, Nas. You give us something. All right. All right.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Down.
She looks like she wants to reverse, man. At the potential reversal formation. Let's see something like that. So
But
can
the
we hold
1 hour
higher
though,
than
but the 1 hour can't not come back and close like bearish. It looks like it's pushing down, bro. The
it doesn't?
hourly, I'm looking at the 1 hour now. If the 1 hour closes bearish, then this thing might just come back down to 88 where price is true as fit.
Hey, if we flip, close bearish, get that wick,
Yeah,
you just sell it down then. But it would have to flip and close at least here for me to get in.
yeah.
I believe in us. I believe in us.
I believe.
He said I was gonna, but nah. He said this is the candle we want. Yo, CB geeking me. Oh no, that Selly kind of called my name. Hit the 45-minute engulfing plus projection in 10 minutes. I don't know if it's enough, but we'll see. Let's see how the 1 hour closes. So this is what I mean when there's contradicting biases. When you can see the buy and when you can see a sell, you can see both potential moves. It's not as clear. At that point, it's just best to stay out. But right now, we're waiting for more candle closures, um, collecting more data, just trying to make well-informed decisions. Ew, 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 man. Ugly candles, ugly price action.
Yeah,
Yeah, this last like 30 minutes has just been ugly.
Has this been the majority of the stream right here?
yep.
Is it the consolidation to fake out?
Yeah, it's consolidating right here. It's just still like in the middle of the range. I just don't like trading in the middle of the range like this.
He said that thing bounce. Uh, okay, Ant. Is he still on the call?
I don't know. He was on the call.
He, I thought I had let him in. Oh, guess not. All right, 15-minute Wiccan.
Yeah, now it's. I mean, I guess if this thing closed like bullish, this 15 closed bullish.
You said if the 15 closes bullish.
Yeah, but I'm just, I might have to call it Monday. That
He said
Monday.
what?
I mean, the price action is just not beautiful at all. Just choppiness in the middle of the range.
Um, Bro, to be honest, I didn't even know the candles were black until you mentioned it. No, I'm kidding.
I'm colorblind, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna make that joke. I don't know how far. I wasn't trying to go too far, you know.
Yeah.
All right, thank God Bryce said
I can
I'm
say it, bro.
colorblind.
it.
I can say it. You can't say it, dude.
It makes me feel better. You got the privilege.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh man, but great question. I guess with the colored candles, I was focusing too much on the candles, I guess. I don't know. I wanted to focus more on the structure and not the colors and more on the closures and I felt like the colors were kind of affecting my trading in a way. Does that make sense?
That's a good one.
Thank you. Making me
I
feel
know.
smart.
I made you. I remember when I first started with you guys, you told me to do that, and now all of a sudden I have purple, black background, all different types of colors and stuff.
Don't you still have it, the pink
I,
background?
I do. Yeah, yeah. The purple, black background. Yeah. I was like, dude, I like your advice. I'm not gonna take it. Thank you, though. I don't know why. I don't know why. I was just like, no, that's actually is really smart and makes sense, but I'm not gonna do that. Don't know why I did that.
What? And I respect you for making that decision.
Yeah.
No, no worries, man. Um,
It's really smart. That's a really good idea.
Oh, okay. Uh, yeah.
e
Stay away, T.
Nah,
e
He
nah.
said, okay.
In my head, the green mass is telling me to click it,
Yeah,
click
yeah,
it,
yeah.
click it.
He said, don't be a coward. Hiding from who you truly are.
Oh man, it's just this 15 closes like this. It looks ugly as hell. Like what? No, no wick to the top, no wick to the bottom. It's just
bro.
one big 15 minutes red candle.
Yeah, and look
Keep,
at that 2 hour. The way the 2 hours
Like
closing
what
as
is
well too. The
that?
2 hour is not
What is
even.
this?
keep the 45 minute.
Yeah,
Yeah, this.
yeah, bro. It came up, retested at 61 to 8, and it's having a really good pullback on that. I'm staying away. I'm logging out, boys. I ain't doing it. I'm gonna sit here and make a dumb decision.
Just slap one on it. Just slap one on it with me.
Now, I'm staying away. I've been good so far this year. I ain't doing it. I like it. I like it. Doesn't mean that you're wrong by any means, but I just
Of
yeah.
this.
For me, I just can't right now.
Yeah, nah, yeah, nah. This 1 hour closed wanky too. Oh my god, look at how it closed. Body's about to be below that the
One
last
hour. Yeah.
last candle, yeah.
Bro, I'm seeing the
If this thing
cells.
flip,
I'm
yeah, if
seeing
this thing
cells.
oh, if this thing flipped bearish on the 1 hour, could be could be in some sell, bro.
All right, boys. I got a meeting in an hour here. I'm gonna hop off here and walk away.
All right, Bryce.
Calling her quits for now.
All right, I'm take it easy.
All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Peace, Bryce.
Take it easy.
Later.
Bye, Bryce.
Bye.
All right, now that he's out, let's buy this thing.
Uh, I don't know. I like the sell
Yeah,
more now.
no, yeah.
I
Um,
like the sell more now. In 26 seconds.
we gotta explain to the people why we didn't take that pullback. Okay, so in my head, the way I'm seeing this candle is that it's the last 40 the 9:45 candle on the 15 minutes. I was waiting for the candles to close above that. A strong bullish candle to close above it to see if there's any pullback and then get in on that. But it didn't close above that, and the next candle didn't close above that either. That's why I completely reject the idea of buying on this area.
I want to do it, bro. I want to take the sell. I want to take it.
I, bro, I could just chop in this box and not do anything to them. All right, so the hourly candle close. Yeah, below. Yeah, no. No, no, no. I can see the sell though. Oh, let me know.
He said, "Let you know you ain't on my, you ain't on
Let
me."
me know.
I see it, but I can
I
also see
see
it
it
get
too.
filled. I can see the wick just get filled right after,
Yeah, I can see it too. It's just like the stop loss, we have to put it above.
especially after this shift up here.
Yeah, if we had to put it above, we would be like 150, 100, yeah, 160 type. That's kind of a big.
Man, you just decreased the position, bro. But let's see. I'll wait one more 45-minute close.
No, let's see if this 15 minutes able to break the low because the last 15 is already bearish. Let's see if this 15 able to break this low and close below it. Yeah, so far the price is really not in the middle of the box right now. It's just stuck there, consolidating.
It's 45-minute.
All right, Roman.
Have a wonderful day, man.
A wonderful day. Yeah, I'll be here until like 12. See if anything catches my eye.
They said the first move is always the real move. He said fake up, fake down.
Wake up, go up, continues.
Oh, that weak 1 hour closure. What is that? How we get such a strong engulfing candle and then an indecisive candle right after?
Exactly. It's like a trap, bro. It's like a trap. It's like they trying to build they're trying to build grab liquidity to go down further, but there's who's selling from right here, bro? Like who? We're at the low, bro. We're at the low of like the daily, the weekly.
Me, I'm selling from right here.
Like no big institutions
Yeah,
or like right here. Like they already sold off like since last week. But yeah, it's like Monday as well. Price just moving not as decisive, just building up for the week.
Mm.
And we just made that daily low with that drop from 9:30.
One more time?
We made a daily low. I guess I mean
Oh,
if
right
that
here.
if it's not coming back to all the way down, this is
Oh,
the
I see
daily
this
low.
now.
We just made at 9:30 or the 9:30 drop.
Oop. Where's that? My bad, brother. I gotta mute you. Oh, no, you listen to those telenovelas, man.
Omar, you are genuinely funny.
You heard it too, right?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, man. Yeah, he set himself up for that one.
Mhm.
All right, we're at the daily lows. Last daily candle did engulf, or excuse me, did engulf what? I want to say 50%, maybe what, 40% of this daily candle.
Yeah.
So we're at daily lows. We got a daily candle closure that closed bullish, or the last daily candle that closed bullish.
The
4 hour,
four hour. Yeah.
2 hours.
this is what interests me. That 4 hour, if this like wick back up.
I still want to see price come down to this zone, wick it, and then come back up.
Yeah, bigger retracement better. Yeah.
Market moving slow.
Yeah, Monday, no volume, no news. I mean, besides 10 o'clock.
Yeah, NFP this week or no, next week, March 7th. Is that next week? Am I tripping? I know what day it is. No, this Friday. Jacob, where my boy Jacob at? I know he's scalping some. He not saying nothing.
I'm sitting on my hands.
He said, I'm done for the day.
Yeah. Just chilling, watching this grass grow.
Yeah, I feel it, man.
Yeah, looking like we got nothing for the day.
Hey, bro, it's still 1 hour left.
Yeah, oh yeah. I said we sit till 12.
But 2 hours until London session closes, right? What time is it? 11? Yeah, 2 hours left.
London.
Yeah, that London market should be open, so
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
tank or roach? It's a good question. Are you asking like who actually won? I didn't really see the full fight from start to finish, I'm gonna be honest. But I don't know, that boy Tank of Baltimore head, man. I gotta rep the DMV, man. I gotta rep the locals. Actually, I don't even know where Roach is from either, so I can't say that. Oh man. He said, can we check out Ethereum?
Damn USD.
Why? No, I'm
But
kidding.
yeah, bro, look, we're at the low, brother.
And last time I marked this up was back in 2020. That's crazy.
Look how
Oh,
price
yeah. Any questions? Are you trading it? Are you investing it? What are we doing here?
are you looking where to get in?
Wheezy.
Not financial advice, but buy it now.
He said, if I were you,
If I were you,
I would take a bank loan. That's the thing. That Wheezy.
then that last 15 close price right back into the range. Yeah, just wonkiness up and down.
I mean, if you go up to the 1 hour, it's nothing really is happening. It's still chilling in between
Yeah,
that swing high we made and the
yeah,
swing that we made last week, right in the midpoint area.
we're literally right in the middle.
And if y'all don't know, I met most of these guys back in college. You know, Roy, T, Jacob. We'd be skipping class just to trade. Like, definitely come a long way. We just be trading NAS US 30 the whole day from market open to market finish, trying to scalp every single move.
Gold.
For real.
Yo, there was a glitch back in the day, if y'all didn't even know about it.
Yeah,
Um, was it Hugo's way?
it was Hugo.
It was Hugo's way. So
Yeah,
apparently, I want to say what? How long ago was this?
it was like
2018,
4 years
20.
ago. Five, maybe 5 years ago.
I think 2020.
Yeah, I think it was 5 years ago.
So basically, what happened was on TradingView, you can see where price was moving, and there was a slight lag between that and the brokerage. So you can basically enter the trade, and it would gap you into profits.
Bro, you like see into the future.
You can see it
That's
basically
crazy.
it was guaranteed. It was guaranteed. And yeah, I don't know if y'all remember Joseph, that boy Hefe. That boy he had what $200. I think he turned it to 4K. And keep in mind, this is back in college. This is back when I barely had any money um to even fund the account. So man took that trip. Him and Golly went on a whole Euro tour. But I had some buddies who actually ended up funding their accounts the week after with their credit cards. Like ended up funding as much as they could. And it got patched that next week, unfortunately. He said, "Okay, yes, sir, I traded and I would like to know where to buy." Um, uh, Ether, right? Boy,
Yeah.
Wheezy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. Um, We're at a nice low point. Looks like a nice daily zone. Last daily candle closed bullish. Looks like we're pulling back as of now. Nice engulfing, or excuse me, a shift up pullback. Nice healthy pullback. Looks like it's making a head and shoulders.
Exactly.
I mean, it looks good now. If I were to get in, I'm not sure what the parameters are like, but at least below the zone or below that most recent swing low. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get into this until I see a clean candle rejection.
Yeah.
Anywhere, anywhere in this zone or the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour is saying, but I don't know. The 4 hour might have to hold above this 4 hour zone here. Kind of liking this area. I don't know. It's just speaking to me. Like, just notice all the reversals we get every time we touch this area. Here, 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 here. So let's see if we hold and we can come back up. We might have to scale down to get a better entry though.
Yeah, the 4 hour looks like it's if it wants to close bullish. So we have how long this candle close? Like 3 out 2 hours.
Does it look this laggy to y'all? Or am I for those on YouTube, does it look clean?
I'm about to peep right now.
Or is it blurry for you guys? Or is it only doing that because I'm sharing my screen?
No, it's mm,
You tell me.
yeah, it's a little blurry
A little
on the.
blurry. Y'all didn't
Oh
say
no, no,
anything.
no,
Y'all had a stream and it was blurry this whole time.
no, never mind, never mind.
Okay.
You were going back. No, the actual chart is
Okay.
straight. When you go to this YouTube, it gives yeah. No, you're good.
Yeah, my boy CB saying we good, man. I trust CB.
All right, there you go.
It's breezy.
Price is coming back above that. Want to close strong bull.
Man, if this 4 hour closes like this and an hour and 37 minutes, I'm a believer that bulls are stepping back into this market. Yeah, Weezy, why are you trading crypto? Just curious, if you don't mind me asking. Is that the only thing you trade? 20 minutes left until what? Oh, that was a 45-minute time frame. So we still got 35 minutes until the next hourly closure. This hour that we're on right now, it looks like it's completely filled most of this wick from the last previous 1 hour closure.
Yep.
If we can just come down and wake this zone,
But that hourly candle has no bottom wick though.
I'm
Like,
saying for the next one,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
we just make a double bottom.
It's
Yep.
like to have no wick on the bottom hours. I'm just sketched, bro. I mean, the last hour has already made a wick, so I guess it doesn't need to make a wick to breaks the top, breaks the high. But usually, you need to have a wick. Oh, I don't know who's getting that sell right now. I think blah 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 blah. It looks to me that we not gonna have any trades today. No clean moves, choppiness in the middle of the range, scalping. If you want to scalp this, probably like buy from the very low, and put your stop loss like below the lowest wick. Other than that, I don't see nothing.
You say you don't see anything?
Yeah, other than that, this price just playing in the middle of the range, just stuck. It's consolidating. But it's consolidating at a support though. If you look at yeah. So like you said, yeah, I would love to see a wick break that to the bottom and then close
Yeah.
close and then we can take this up from that low.
Ooh, excuse me.
Other than that, nah, nothing, nada.
Man, Weezy, I appreciate you sharing. Um, you got me intrigued in this ether buy now. Might have to keep an eye on it. If it plays out, I'm gonna be thinking of you.
Weezy told me.
Weezy. Weezy trades, of course. I hope you have a wonderful day, Christine. Thank you for joining. Fortunately, we weren't able to catch anything yet, at least 2 hour coming in on 2 hours in the stream. No trades taken.
All right, Christine. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, well, look at that. It just blopped back. We just pulled back like from 80 to 900, so non-flat, like 80 points.
Yeah. You said it pulled back 80 points. There we go with that 45-minute rejection, man. All right, T. 30-minute just closed, wicked.
Oh,
15-minute wicked. 45 minutes and 14 minutes.
oh my God, no. This
One
is
hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes. That 1 hour wick, that might be enough, bro.
for the sell.
That's Sally. 30
Eh,
minutes. Watch, 30 minutes.
look. I mean, yeah, it looks like it's gonna close on the hourly, even on the hourly, it's pulling back.
All right, we got potential cooking up right now.
Nah, bro. It's for me to take the sell. I need to see this clean break below the wick that we made at 10 at 10 o'clock. Yeah, violate that wick first, and then pull back to this range, and then I'll get in the sell. But until then,
I'm
no
saying 30
sell.
minutes. 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. This 30 needs to close below that the the wick of the day. If it doesn't, it's gonna stay in here.
If it's moving this slow, man, I can't imagine how long it's going to take to play out. But the reason I'm intrigued by the cells is I just like this engulfing break below the zone, and I'm liking these wick rejections that we're getting here. Um, on top of that, we're getting a 30-minute, 15-minute, and a potential 1 hour. But I probably wouldn't take it until I see that 1 hour as well. Hence us waiting 27 minutes. So we'll see how it closes.
Yeah,
He wants it to flip over.
yeah, yeah,
That would be a great case scenario if that happens.
yeah. If this thing flip on the hour like this, we're gonna flip bearish.
If that's the case, if it does end up holding, probably look for that area or maybe even down to here, but let's see.
Keep waiting.
Man, bro, those 45-minute wicks. They're whispering to me. They're talking to me. For those who've been on this stream, um, this is what we've been watching so far. So we just honestly just been ranging
Yep.
for 2 hours now. Still a little sus though. It's still a little sus.
What for you looking for a sell right here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I would say, yeah, no, I got no read on this one. Absolutely zero.
I appreciate you being honest.
Yeah, I got no read on this one.
He wants the break, man. She's telling me.
Yeah, if this thing clean breaks like in this next 15 minutes, uh,
I might do it in 7 minutes, man. 7 minutes if we close like this.
yeah, yeah, and like yeah, the 15 candle close.
All right, all right. So we got the hour flipped like we wanted. So if we can close just like that, or
Close,
even like
yeah.
that. All right. It's looking good. Starting to look good, you guys.
We got 8 minutes, 7 minutes.
Having that 1 hour would be amazing. And then that's in 22 minutes.
Yeah. I would prefer to see the hourly close
Yeah, for sure.
bearish than the 15 close bearish.
No, it was the 45 in 6 minutes.
Oh yeah. But look at that. It went up and it came back down.
CB says still here, gang, my man. Showing love, CB. We appreciate you. Let's see if that patience pays, honestly.
Let's see. Looking like she wants to go lower.
Um, I hope so. I
Uh-huh.
hope so. So I'm a suburban dude. Yeah. I need my 500 a day.
500 a
500 a
day,
day, keep the
man.
bills away. All right, 4 minutes for the 45-minute closure. And we have 18 minutes for the 1 hour closure.
15.
For the 1 hour or for the 15?
For the 1 hour.
Wait, yeah, for the 1 hour, 18.
Oh yeah, 18 minutes. 18 minutes.
He about to try and check me on my math, bro. Like,
Bro, I'm seeing different numbers right now.
who's in the matrix right now? Um, I want to see this 1 hour candle close like this without moving too far down. Like, it has to close just like that without eating too much of the wick to the downside and without pushing too far to the downside and closing down there. If it can just close below the open of that previous candle, I'm convinced I will take a sell. But if it closes like this, if it closes
Yeah.
weak,
This is what is that, bro? Two candles, just two straight lines, no body. Like the body is like what, 10 pips, bro? Oh, 10 points. Come on. This is ridiculous here.
if it doesn't close how we want it in the next hour, um, I might end the stream and then we might have to just check back every hour.
Yeah.
It's on
Based on
market.
the last 2 hour candles, uh, it just doesn't look good for a buy. Strong bearish candle coming down, closing below, closing at support, and then we had doji.
Yeah, yeah. T, are you hearing that? Is that your audio?
Um, I did hear that. That
All
was
right.
not me.
1 minute for the 45-minute closure, which is not enough to take the trade, but it's an added reassurance with the 1 hour closure.
Yeah. I just
If
need to see it close below this, below 28 or 30 right now. Like, yes, yes.
30 seconds.
That's a weak bear closure, man. That's a
On what?
weak bear on a 15, bro.
Bro, the 15, man. Peep the 1 hour and the 45, bro. Come on,
Yeah,
T.
I would need that 1 hour to close then. I was waiting for 15 to close strong so I can just get in right away.
Wild, man.
I just closed weak. Didn't close it.
I mean, that 30-minute should have been enough for it. All right, we got the 15, we got the 30-minute, we got the 45. Do we need the hour?
We do need an hour.
Yes, we do
Mhm.
need the hour. Uh, so we got how much time left? 15 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah,
boys
that
and
that
girls.
15 that 15 just closed right now. Close. I don't like that close. I don't like that close at all.
Off the 15?
Yeah, on that 15 last the last candle just closed.
Why
It's
don't
not breaking below the previous low that
It's
we
closing right at the support.
closed right at support, bro.
No, I see what you're saying. This little zone you got right here.
Yeah, now you can see like the retracement a little bit back up a little bit. Yeah, this is not it's not good. It's no
Painful.
bueno. This is not bueno.
I'm still gonna take it if it closes in 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It needs an hour to close.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Now I'm back to the hour.
I see what you're saying. Yo, Weezy, what platform you be trading cryptos? Weezy. He said it's Wheezy F baby. He said Wheezy C baby. C is for crypto.
Yo, y'all hear that?
Yeah, it
Hello?
sounds like someone's texting, bro. Someone's messaging. I don't know. I do hear that. Yeah.
Make sure I'm not hearing things. The charts are talking to
Morse code. Morse.
me. Oh no.
Oh. Not liking this 1 hour for the sales that we are looking to take. So T, you're saying if that 15-minute closed, you would have been in if it closed below here.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
before the
It was closed below the yeah. You see, it didn't close strong at all. It was closed weak. Well, back up now.
Hey, 10 minutes left. That is why we wait for candle closures. It's been ranging since 10. Good 2 hour range. 10 a.m. Eastern time. What, 4 hours into New York session?
Oh, this thing is ripping now.
We got 1 more hour into London closure.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, no. I think I'm done.
Um, yeah, it's looking like it, T. It's looking like it.
Doesn't look, yes. Nah, not at all. I guess it's in the box today. Buy low, sell high. Stuck in the box. Doesn't want to break out. It's understandable for a Monday.
He said, guys, is it better to fund an account or trade live? Question for my cousin. Does your cousin know how to trade? And how much funds does he have available? Is the question. Um, if he does know how to trade, for me at least, I would rather use that money and get a funded account to potentially increase the chance of me getting a bigger withdrawal. Hey, nice. He said took a few scalps today, US very nice, and hit my goal. That's amazing. But I don't know. I feel like these funded accounts be throwing out some really good deals. You could probably get one for a really good price, pass, and you didn't really put any money into them. Some of them offer refunds. They'll give you back your initial investment. So definitely do some research on which one you go with. But if you have like, for example, $500 and fund your own account, if you're risking 1%, that's like $5. You'd have to risk what 10% is what? $25. So $25 to get 50, 75. The risk reward isn't as worth it, unless unless you're funding it, funding a larger sized account. But you could take that 500 and get a challenge, which is what I would do. Um, and now I don't even know with $500, depending on what account size you get. How much? What can you get with $500? 100K, 200K,
$500. For what?
$500, $500 to get an account.
For Apex.
Apex, anyone, honestly.
I mean, that's a lot. You can get like multiple, depend on what account you want. I would say the 50K account is the best one.
For do you know what it is, regular price?
If the discount's on right now, it should be like $33, 31.
$33 for a 50K account. That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Brand
mean,
new, his first year in the industry. I agree he should get funded. I think with their rules, it makes us improve. That pressure will definitely build you. I ain't gonna lie. Um, so maybe he shouldn't start off right away with the funded accounts. I would recommend he, develops a strategy, has a trading plan, a trading journal, um, knows how to identify a high quality trade. Once he's at that point, then yeah, by all means, he could take the challenge, and I do feel like it will help. It will help improve. The rules will help improve his skills. He said, if we don't get an entry, it's all good. Caught a 100 point pre-market last night. That's amazing. 100. You said 100 points. 100 point. Wow.
yeah, that's good.
It's on a Sunday. He said, man.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's always gonna be good. Again, we got to realize, the power of being a retail trader is we can get in, get out whenever we want. All right, so we should take advantage of what we can control, being, again, in this case, when we get in and when we get out. So,
All right. Look at that. Now the 1 hour has a wick now. You see how sneaky that was? Like it didn't have the
Uh,
wick before, and then it just pop off. And it came back, made the wick, and now it's popping back up. That's what I was scared about. Like even on the 1 hour, just straight up, no retest, just no wick. That's why I didn't take the buy. I have no confidence in the buy to go back up. But now that it makes the wick, now the 1 hour looks proper. If it started close like this, the next hour can break the high, like the 2100. Then we can see this going back up to the drop before this morning. It's 21,120. So essentially, I want to see this handle on the 1 hour close strong bullish.
oh man, my bad. I was just reading this. He said, I don't have the mindset, patience to wait for actual trade. Felt risky today, took scalps on. I'm now gonna stay away. Well done. And he said, I think this is for you, Weezy. He said, honestly, if you aren't a US citizen or Russian, if able to trade prop and has access to FTMO, then it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, FTMO would be like top thing.
Would y'all believe I still have my FTMO account active
Hmm,
and funded?
that's crazy.
Yes, sir. Bro, I seriously like want you gotta be like the only one in the US, man.
Nah, but yeah, I definitely um second that. I think I've had no issues with FTMO. Unfortunately, I'm a US citizen and I'm not able to get any new challenges from them, but I still have mine from before they had that whole um US client situation where they stopped servicing US clients. So that's why I still have my FTMO account.
Man, with this
I lost
new
mine a couple months back. Oh, I'm so sorry for you, man.
with this new administration, maybe we'll see some.
You said I got my DR citizenship. Did you get the DR citizenship just to trade the FTMO accounts?
No, that's crazy.
I wouldn't blame you if you did. I'm gonna be honest.
It's not a bad idea, honestly.
All right. We're about to close in 12 seconds, 10 seconds. And this thing look wonky. Wonk, bro.
Yep. And that's another 1 hour closure, and I think that might be it for me, you guys. I'm kind of tired of watching this. Uh,
That short, bruh.
what I'd like to see is again, same thing, some rejection around this area. I'll probably check back every hour, probably 1 more hour. I'll probably give it until 1. If I don't see anything by then, I might just call it a day. Um, are there any questions? Any questions at all? So we got the 4 hour closure in 1 hour. Yeah, just not really seeing anything.
Yeah, it's just up and down.
Up and down, choppy.
Whole lot of chop.
Yeah, it's probably just stuck in that middle of the box, man.
Wait, we followed our plan. Didn't see anything.
Yeah, I'm calling it
Stay disciplined.
Do we have any other questions?
before we get off.
Few scenarios. If we, I don't know, break back above, head and shoulders buy. If we come back down, make a double bottom with rejection, that could be a good opportunity to buy. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. What you said. Had to get this pick on my phone. Um, power service use. What'd they say in terms of going back to the? Well, they bought a Wanda, if I'm not mistaken. So maybe that's their foot in the door to get U.S. clients back.
Ooh,
Yeah,
yeah.
we might reintroduce it to the Oanda platform instead.
What you say, T?
They might just use the Oanda platform to
Yeah.
like service U.S. clients instead.
So they
Because
mentioned keep on working on it. Um, that gave me hope. It gave me hope too. CB said, "Y'all staying on here till 1. Feel like move will happen at 2." I feel that too, but I don't know if I'm willing to wait. I'm gonna be honest. It's almost what 3 hours of our day watching paint dry.
yeah,
What are y'all saying?
Yeah, I just say we check back in an hour.
yeah, this thing not going nowhere. Doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere.
Yeah, it's been chilling in the same range for a while.
He said check ether. What about it? Yeah, I might call it.
Yeah,
Are there
bro.
any last minute questions? Anything we can answer before we end the stream?
Yeah.
Bryce was smart for hopping off.
Yeah. It's okay. We'll be here tomorrow again. Hopefully we get something tomorrow.
Yep, no trades taken. Um, Hope everyone has an amazing rest of their day.
Mhm.
Those fasting for Ramadan Mubarak. Hope it goes well for those who are partaking. Um, I believe Lent is starting in a few days, if I'm not mistaken. So good luck to those who are partaking in that. Hope everyone has an amazing week, amazing day. Much love, peace, and abundance. Like T said, we'll be back tomorrow. Definitely monitor that NAS, wait for those closures, and journal your trades, use proper risk management, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.